If you have ever tried these gold wrapped chocolate balls, you're never gonna like any other chocolates. Ferrero Rocher. Let's make it homemade. The filling inside used in this chocolate is Nutella. The recipe for Nutella is already there in my channel, but that was with almond I made. Today let's make some Nutella with real hazelnuts. So add these roasted hazelnuts into a blender and blend it really well. Blend it nicely till it starts to extract oil from it. Now into that add in some sugar, vanilla essence and cocoa powder. Blend that again. Now into that add some melted dark chocolate. Blend it again. Then our filling Nutella is ready. Here I have taken some milk chocolate for the coating. Melt it down in microwave. Now this is the second main ingredient, that is Ferrero Rocher Shells, which are easily available in supermarkets or you can buy it online. I'll leave the link for buying it in the description box. Add some chopped hazelnuts and chopped cashew nuts into the melted milk chocolate and mix it. Now arrange these wafer shells on a plate. Now scoop in some 1/4 teaspoon of Nutella into each shells. Now add one whole roasted hazelnut into half of the shells. Now close each one with another wafer shell. Now you can refrigerate this for 5 to 10 minutes or until the Nutella gets a bit firm. Now take each balls and coat this in the milk chocolate mix. Tap down the excess chocolate and transfer it onto a parchment paper. Keep it refrigerated until the chocolate is set. After that, take one golden chocolate covering foil and wrap these chocolates in it. Then take a brown cupcake liner and place it in that. Our homemade Ferrero Rocher is ready. Wrapping each chocolate balls in this golden foil is so satisfying and fun part in this recipe. Now let's open and cut one chocolate and let's see how it looks inside. It just looks like the real Ferrero Rocher. So definitely try out this amazing recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.